As preparations for the 2026 National Youth Convention gather momentum under the theme, Take Courage, I Have Overcome the World, the Kampala Ecclesiastical Youth Apostolate, KEYA, is placing music at the heart of this year's celebration. That vision has now moved from planning to action, with choir rehearsals officially kicking off at the Yes Center in Nsambya, where team leaders and prospective choristers from across the province gathered to begin rehearsing hymns that will be performed during the convention.
Tonight, we are kickstarting preparations for the choir. The National Youth Convention is going to take place from 7th up to 13th of December. This year, 2026, we are going to be in this very place. So we have different committees, different programs are ongoing. We have had sports activities. We are going to have finance and fundraising, but the core is going to be liturgy. And here today, we have the team that leading the liturgical programs and preparations. Of course, the gifts of which is the choir. So we have a mega choir.
According to the head of liturgy for the 2026 National Youth Convention, Reverend Father John Paul Onyango, the ambitious plan is to assemble a mega choir of about 1,000 young Catholics, with each diocese expected to mobilize at least 250 choristers.
Each and every one of them has a responsibility to bring over 250 choristers to come and join this mega choir. Today we as Kampala Archdiocese, we have begun our practices. As you can hear, the choristers behind and some other people the other side. We are calling upon all the youths that are out there, please come and join this mega choir so that we can, one, celebrate our youthfulness, secondly, celebrate our Catholicity, thirdly, also represent our dioceses in a very, very good way.
In the same spirit, Bujuko Catholic Parish Youth Chaplain, Reverend Father Frederick Chikomeko, has highlighted the range of activities expected at the convention, urging young people not to be consumed by the distractions and trends around them, but instead to come together and experience the joy of faith, fellowship, and worship at the national level.
They are so much taken over by people in other religions, but here we have it all. We shall have the praise and worship, we shall have the sharing sessions, we shall have to share with others of what is transpiring in their different dioceses and how they run the youth ministry. So please, when you come on board, when you join us during the gatherings, we shall be sharing of what is taking place in our different parishes, sub-parishes. So please, do not be overtaken by what is going on outside the Catholic Church. Everything is here with us, so please come and we share a lot more. The liturgies, the retreats, recollections, and the various sharings, Bible sharing, and so on and so forth.
With the mobilization drive now underway, diocesan youth leaders are calling upon young Catholics with musical talent and an interest in joining the choir to respond to the call and take part in creating what is expected to be one of the convention's defining moments.
Nkowola abavubuka mwenna abali eyo mu vikalieti zaffe ez'e Kampala ennya Mitara Maria Wakiso Kampala ate n'Entebbe tubakowola mujje luno lunaku lwaffe ng'abavubuka ate litaje gwe mutima gw'Eklezia tukowola abayimbi mwenna gye muli tunoonya abayimbi abasoba mu 1,000 mujje tweyagalire mu buvubuka bwaffe ng'Abakatoliki.
Banakinda Mityana bonna bajje babeerewo bajje beyagalire mu buvubuka bwabwe.
Abalugazi Kampala Masaka Kasana Luwero Kinda Mityana okujja okuva nga 8 nga 7 paka nga 12 ffenna tubeerewo mu bungi obutasigalayo waka era nsaba ffenna tujjumbire choirs mu dioceses zaffe yonna gye batuyise.
Mujje mbakowola bwenna ab'eŋŋoma abe nakasongola nkowola abe natyole mulajje mujje tubeere bangi.
Nze nkunga abavubuka bonna ba Masaka Diocese ebule n'ebweya bonna mujje mweno convention enegenda kubeera njawulo nnyo ku convention zimbadde mutambulira muze mulaba.
Mwenna abandaba ebyambalo byafulumye dda tubyambala ennyimba zafulumye dda ngoma namaliga kikyusa ziroowe ab'e Kampala Mbalala Akabale bannaye buli eyali eggulu omwaka oguwedde bw'otajja ogwo musango munene nnyo.
Z'omu ku bayimbi abagenda okwetaba mu kwaya eno ya National Youth Convention n'abavubuka w'essaza. Kati gwani atasobola kujja ku kwaya eno? Nkusaba ojje weeyunge ku kwaya eno anti ayimba abeera atendereza emirundi ebiri.
Emmanuel Serada, a youth leader in KEYA and part of the team preparing for the convention, says this year's edition is embracing technology to make participation more accessible. He says registration will be conducted digitally, allowing participants to register and fulfill the necessary accreditation requirements without necessarily having to physically visit offices.
The unique thing with this year's National Youth Convention is going to be digitally. It's going to be digital and digitally registered. To participate, you go online, get your phone, go to Google, type www.nyc2026@KEYA. You access the link, type on the link, tap on the link, then for the prompt and register. If you're coming as a diocese, look for group registration, tap on that link of group registration, upload the form, download it on your desktop, fill in all your youth, the team you are leading, upload it. You instantly receive all your accreditations, you receive your registration cards, you receive where you're going to sleep, you receive the program of the event, you receive everything online. Each participant is 20,000. Each diocese, then the 14 dioceses, that is the dioceses outside Kampala Ecclesiastical Province, each will pay 300,000 as a participation fee. The provincial dioceses, that is the dioceses within the Kampala Ecclesiastical Province, that is Kasana Luweero, Lugazi, Chinamitiana, Masaka, they will pay 2 million shillings.
The National Catholic Youth Convention draws inspiration from the vision of St. Pope John Paul II, who established World Youth Day in 1985 as a global platform for bringing young people together through prayer, worship, catechesis, fellowship, and other activities aimed at nurturing their faith and strengthening their Catholic identity. For UCTV News, Prosi Ahumza.